Every time I do an assignment for school, I copy and paste part of it into Google just to see if anyone else has uploaded the answers online. And I did that for this. I copied and pasted just this part right here. And I pasted it into Google, and sure enough, it came up on Coursehero. The only problem with Coursehero is you can't look at the rest of the worksheet without paying. But thankfully, I figured out this little trick by accident. So when I copy and pasted this into Google, it gave me that part of the worksheet on Coursehero and then blurred everything else. But then I copy and pasted this into Google, the next part of the worksheet, and I searched that and it came up on Coursehero again, except for now it gave me the answer to that question and blurred everything else. It blurred the first part and everything after it. So basically all you have to do is copy and paste each question individually into Google, and it will give you the answer to that on Coursehero and blur everything else. So you don't have to sign up for it all. You just have to get the preview for every single question, basically.